Hey, so let's run over to the master bathroom. We ran into some issues with the plumbing, but with the plumber's help, we were able to figure out some creative ways to get the plumbing where we needed to. One of the tough things of going from old to new. So let's go check out the master bathroom and see what we came up with. So as you can see, we've had to cut out quite a bit of the floor because we're running into existing foundation walls, basement framing, all different obstacles that we kind of had to get into. So in the shower, we've had to cut out most of the floor to be able to access everything we needed to. The biggest struggle we ran into was actually right here, the master toilet. We got an existing wall, foundation wall on the outside, and an interior framed wall, and there was no easy way to be able to cut through to get the plumbing all the way to where the main stack was. These old houses were framed on 2x8 joists, so we can't just cut a 3-inch hole right through them all and just run our plumbing where we want. So we've had to kind of come up with some obstacles, or we've hit some obstacles, and we had to come up with creative ways of making through. So let's go downstairs and show you what we're talking to. I think the plumber's down there, so let's go find him. That's incredible. I didn't even know you were up there. Hey, so we're downstairs in the basement. Let's go see what the plumber's got going. Hey, Neil, how's it going, man?
Oh, hey, Bruce, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Oh, yeah.
So, what problems we run into over here?
Mainly we ran into this framed out drywall. That is about 10 inches away from the foundation wall there. And where we want to put our toilet is on the wrong side.
Of course.
So trying to get the 3-inch line to service the toilet through these joists doesn't work because by code we can't cut into them. So what we're having to do is we're running in the pocket between the foundation wall and that framed out drywall to get over to our stack.
And you were able to make the fall and everything work just right?
No, actually what we had to do is the existing cast iron stack, we had to grind that down and modify it to make it lower.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and that gave us our better point of entry, which gave us our fall, which gave us a good drain.
And we were able to make everything else work for the rest of the house because you're kind of going from old to new here. So we're making everything else work right.
Yeah, we're getting there. We're just adapting and overcoming.
Yeah, all right. Well, I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
We'll
see you. We'll let you get back to it.